Alright, today we're going to be opening Chaos Rising. We had found these packs earlier on Father's Day. We saved a couple to open later on this summer. We're going to see if we actually get something in here. We had not had very good luck the other packs that we opened. So we're just going to jump in and open a few and see if we get lucky and get something. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite card you've got out of Chaos Rising. Has anybody pulled anything good? Alright, just jump in here.
See if you can pull the rare Greninja card.
Alright, the first one. Octillery? I'm not sure how you say that.
Artillery.
Beldum. Finnegan. Kakuna. Claydol. Deoxys. Special red card. Transformation Tome. Or Tomb. Brigham Light.
Oh!
We got a Mega Greninja EX.
I'm pretty sure that's a $20 card.
We got a 20? Oh.
I think it's a $25
Alright,
card.
let us know.
I
Anybody
may
else?
not be right, but I'm pretty sure that's expensive.
Alright.
Whoa, that's super
$25.
cool.
And then we got a basic energy.
Boo.
I think that's
Alright,
like a $25
so
card, Dad.
front, back.
Pretty good condition. I think
Let us know what you think of the condition of this card.
the printing is right, I think. I don't think it's off. It might be a little bit, but I'm not sure.
Alright. An EX, that's nice to get.
We're ready to sleeve
Yeah,
that.
I'm gonna open this, Dad.
Alright, you can open it.
I can open it.
Out of here. Hey, oh, so now they're the same picture.
That crazy
This.
Pokemon. So far, our best hit out of this video is the Mega Greninja.
I think that's the best one we've got out of these packs so far, too. We'll see. I'm not sure what it's.
In our earlier video, we did pull out a couple full arts. Tauros and Metang, I think.
Oh, that's right. We did get 2 full arts.
Oh,
They look pretty
So
decent.
it's one card.
No, I just flipped it and did it.
Oh, I'm gonna do it like that.
Okay.
That's we got Dark Energy. Pumpkaboo. Or no, it's Pumpkaboo.
Carnivine. Zubat. Ferroseed. Claydol. AZ's Tranquility. Ferrothorn. Another Claydol. Deoxys. And Ho-Oh. Legendary Pokemon.
Just
Holo
It's
foil.
just a holo.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool card.
Yeah.
I like the fire. So it's like a fireball coming out of its mouth. Or a wing.
It's a legendary
Yeah.
Alright, we'll hold it up there so you
fire
can see
type
it.
Pokemon.
Alright, so that's... How do you say that one?
Ho-Oh.
Ho-ho?
Ho-Oh.
Ho-oh. Alright. It's a nice card. A star. Nothing too crazy. Alright, Eli, go in.
Okay. Let's see if we can pull something crazy. Shows the Greninja. Maybe it's the luck for the Greninja. A rare card. Or maybe we'll get a God Pack.
Yeah, that would be something.
A God Pack is when basically, essentially, every single card in it is like a really rare, expensive card, which is very rare to get. Tell us down in the comments if you've ever opened up a God Pack. Okay, down there.
Lightning.
Lightning Energy. Zubat. Ferroseed. Lictoleo. Watchog. Claydol. Transformation Tome. Ferrothorn. Remoraid. Weedle. And Keldeo. Holo foil.
Ah, man. Nothing.
Nothing
So
great.
for us,
All
that's
right.
one. That Greninja.
Alright, last pack that I have, and I think you have one left, right?
Yes, I have one.
Alright, let's see here. Who do we got on this one? Anybody know what that guy is?
No. I don't know. I think guys evolves from a guy named Sklurp.
Okay, not familiar with that one.
The name's hard to say. I forget how to say it.
Wait, which one again? Alright, what do you think the energy is going to be?
No.
Psychic.
Psychic. Alright, you look. Alright, well, Quilden, Phantump, or I like to say Fantrump, Braxton, Mareep, Metagross, Great Hall Net,
Gross.
Tauros,
Remoraid.
Remoraid, Delphox,
Oh, and the guy who evolves
and
from
Trevenant.
Evolves from Fantrump.
Alright, nothing in that one.
Okay,
Yep.
the last pack. See if we have any last pack.
And we
magic.
pull anything good. Drumroll. What do you think the energy is going to be in there?
I think it's gonna be.
I think it's going to be water.
Is the Mega Greninja EX going to be the best from today's opening?
I think so, unless we can.
The first pack opened.
Let's see if we can get lucky and pull something crazy in this.
We need a full art. Come on. Some type of full art.
I haven't had very good luck with
Oh,
these.
it's
Oh, it is fire. I got it right.
I thought it was
fire.
Froakie. Vulpix. Weedle. Sliggoo. Tauros. Transformation Tome. Deoxys. Goomy. Vulpix. And Mega Floette EX.
Alright, another Mega. Alright.
pretty good.
I think the Greninja's better.
Let's
That's like the main one.
hold up the best ones here for today. Eli, what'd you get in there? You didn't get an EX, right?
I just got the
We got 2
Keldeo.
Megas. Those are the top cards. Alright, like, subscribe, follow along our journey as we keep opening packs, and yeah, that's about it.
Peace out.